Team Forecast with Chief Meteorologist John Dissauer.
Well, this can help the mind and the soul just a bit. While not terribly warm today, look at the beautiful blue skies we've got outside. This is a live look right now from Southeast Community College, looking off to the south and east, and not a cloud to be found. We broke the clouds early this morning. As expected, we'd see sunshine through most of the day, and it's a beautiful view as well from Honda of Lincoln, looking off to the north and west. Not finding any clouds. All I'm finding is just a little bit of glare in the lens, and that's about it as we look off to the north and northwest. Now, we still have to deal with some winds. I thought they'd be light more by now than what they are. We're still dealing with some gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour, but nothing like yesterday's 50s, 60s, and 70 mile per hour wind gusts. As we go through the rest of the evening, you'll see on Stormcast how these winds begin to weaken pretty quickly, and we're going to have a light wind as we go through the overnight hours. Now, temperatures today with some sunshine and a stronger April sun are running 10 to as much as 16 degrees warmer than 24 hours ago. It's 55 degrees right now in Lincoln. It is 54 degrees in Beatrice, 54 in York and Friend, 55 in Aurora, 55 as well in Grand Island, as well as in Hastings. Big picture for over the United States, this area of low pressure off to the east, a closed cold low is just sitting right here and slowly moving eastward. Now the good news is it's moved far enough east to take all the clouds with it. You drive about 100 miles east though, and you'll encounter a lot of clouds across Iowa, Missouri, and even northeastern Kansas. We'll confirm it here on visible satellite imagery, showing you just little puffy clouds that are now moved eastward, and we've got nothing at all over southeast Nebraska. And even as we look back into the western part of the state, not seeing anything out there either. So we've got nice clear skies across the entire state of Nebraska at this point. Now, with the clear skies and light winds tonight, it's going to get cold. We'll be down into the mid-20s. I think we dropped to 25 degrees in Lincoln, 25 in Beatrice, and 25 in Seward, 24 in York, and 24 degrees in Columbus. Now, as we go through the day tomorrow, we're going to see lots of sunshine around. Look for mainly sunny skies through the day. You'll notice temperatures starting to warm. By noon, we should be up in the low to mid 50s. As we head towards the afternoon, high temperatures, or the actual high temperature is not going to occur until late afternoon. So even by 3 o'clock, lower to mid 60s. Look for the highs to probably happen right around 5 o'clock, maybe even 6 o'clock, where we should eventually get up into the upper 60s and even lower 70s. Forecasting a high of 67 in Lincoln, 68 in Seward, and 69 in Beatrice. Low 70s out towards the Tri-Cities. Winds tomorrow at times a little breezy out of the south-southeast. Sustained 5 to 15 with some gusts to 25 miles per hour. So for the spring game tomorrow, just before kickoff, or 2 hours before kickoff at 11 a.m., 49 degrees and sunny skies. At kickoff, look for mostly sunny skies, a high of 50, or I should say not a high, but a temperature of 57 degrees. And by 3 o'clock, temperatures in the low 60s. So we're not going to be quite upper 60s during the game, but we will be warming throughout the day. On Sunday, a few more clouds around perhaps. Temperatures should be just a bit warmer as well. As we go through Sunday afternoon, look for temperatures to be back up into the upper 60s and even lower 70s. 7-day forecast shows Monday 66 degrees. Well, we are keeping an eye on Tuesday and Wednesday. There is some potential for some stronger to severe storms on one of those 2 days. Still a little too early to pinpoint exactly when that could happen. After that, we start to see some slightly cooler temperatures coming in, highs in the 50s and 60s. And right now for Easter Sunday, look for temperatures to be in the low 60s with partly to mostly cloudy skies.
You know, this